Good morning, and welcome to the New England Wildflower Society. I'm Dan Jaffe, the propagator and stockbed grower, and this is Actaea. The genus Actaea can be broken down into two major groups: the early flowering species with fleshy fruits, and the later flowering species with the dry fruits. We're just coming up on summer now, and while the early flowering species are just beginning to color up their fruits, the later flowering species are still in bud. This is Actaea racemosa, the black cohosh. After this species, Actaea rubrifolia will bloom, and then eventually in the late season, Actaea podocarpa. In fact, if you've got the entire Actaea genera planted, you can have flowering or fruiting anywhere from early spring right through the fall. So it's been about a month since the red baneberry was in full fruit, and now we're looking here at the white baneberry, or Actaea pachypoda, sometimes also known as doll's eyes. It's known as doll's eyes because each white fruit has this dark black eye in it that's actually the leftover stigma from an earlier flower. Kind of gives it a creepy look. Might be a good plant to scare little children with. And now that Actaea pachypoda is in full fruit, you can see that Actaea racemosa is in full bloom. And as you can see, or maybe not be able to see with that little camera, we've got plenty of Actaea racemosa in the garden. It's one of our favorites, probably the easiest to grow. Still haven't seen any signs yet of open flowers for Actaea rubrifolia or podocarpa. They still will have a while before they come along. But come on down to the garden and you'll see them in a bit. And just when you think you've got the Actaeas figured out, you'll learn there are white forms of the red baneberry as well as red forms of the white baneberry. And thanks to modern day horticulture, there's a whole slew of cultivars out there with red berries, white berries, pink berries, and just about everything in the middle.